play some music, but uh, YouTube doesn't seem to like that, so you're gonna have to hear me humming. Okay, good. Now this part is done. Let's solve the problem of the overhang. So we should just delete the vent. This is the sketch. Um, that this thing should be kept. Let's fix this. Let's let's fix this. Let's fix this. Okay. So we move in by 37 millimeters. Are there any? Okay, this. It appears that this part has not been defined. So I want to move the length, but seems to be some constraint here. Let's delete that. Okay, I can move it now. So let's move back. So one side move in 37 millimeters and the other side move in by 36 millimeters. This thing already also have tension constraint, so we will delete that. It can now move. What we want to do is to add a distance from the reference, so the distance is 36. 36. What the hell? Okay. I think I know where should be vertical constraint first. Okay, because that part doesn't have any vertical constraint, so we'll put the vertical constraint first and then put in the 36 millimeter distance. Now they cannot move in such a way, so I think this line is partially set. And now for this part to this part, distance will be 37 millimeters, and also apply the vertical constraint for it. Yeah, looks good to me. Let's call this sketch. Now it didn't have to be go all the way through. I don't want any structural. Yeah, so let's just keep it simple. Laptop vent cut out. Let's just select dimension. 5 millimeter is good. Okay, wonderful. Same for the vent. I think I have went overkill with this thing. Let's just remove it. Hub and charger vent pocket. Yeah, that's the thing. So just delete it. Following my break, of course it will break. Yes, of course I want to delete it. The chamfer is not needed now. That is strange. I have. Okay, so at this point it is still good, but what happened here? Why is the vent still there? If we change to fillet, chamfer 2, chamfer 1. Okay, should I just delete chamfer 1? Is that it? Seems like chamfer 1 is based on the old. Let's just close the task, delete the chamfer 1. Yep. And because of that, chamfer 2 also break. I don't understand how any of this works, so let's just delete it and make do it again. Okay. Uh, I feel like I have went overboard a little bit. Uh, that doesn't seem too smart on my side, to be honest. Should I just let it be, or should I open it up? That's a really question. Of course, with this, it would still works, no problem, no question asked. But I feel like we're missing out a lot on optimization and cooling capabilities because enclosed electronics doesn't sound good, especially when it usually has to be powered on 8 to 10 hours a day. Okay, it's time to make a call. You know what? Let's roll back. Why is this still error? What is wrong with this? Okay, let's keep this first. Delete all the chamfer and fillet. Yep, don't care about that. Now the hub and charge event is a good idea. Not gonna deny that, but the lower section is actually good enough, so no need to adjust. We only have to adjust the pocket depth, so we'll choose dimension instead of through all. Maybe the reverse direction. 6 millimeters, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it is now flush with the surface. It's good, okay? I think this is tolerable, to me at least. Because I don't like the cutout that basically damage the print. I give it a lot of space to work with, but is this actually the best? Yeah. Ringing will start to happen, but is it due to my design fault? or is it due to the printer's um, bad G code and my negligence for not checking G code? Okay. You know what? This feature is important because it will show that I am capable of generating G code for those sections. Yeah. Give me a second. Okay. I will give it one more try before enclosing the entire space. Yeah. I think it deserves another chance. A lot of people don't seem to be aware of the problem. And they don't even know that it's due to the G code, not the printer. Well, I think that's the only edge that needs a chamfer. The bridging performance on the vent is actually pretty good. Not a lot of sagging, barely any sagging to be exact. A couple more chamfer. Okay, a little bit of work, but I know so there may be some engineers amongst you guys. This thing looks horrendous, but we I'm learning as I go. But so yep, better than procrastinating, right? Um, I can't help but think I have made a blunder in the design. Hmm, should have closed the section off. Should I even close the section off? Because yes, I am closing the side so that it will fit in the middle. But if I close the top, I would have to add another section over here, and I don't want to. So, but should I? Should I? The real question is should I? No, I should not, because it will create a lot more overhang, which is not worth it and doesn't really improve the fit of the thing. Technically, I can already glue the thing in, but the cable in. Hey, let's create some fillet for this thing. Bevel, sorry. You know what? This thing isn't a problem, so no need to no need to complicate this thing. It is good enough. Although it could improve the performance a little bit, but yeah, not worth it in my opinion. Ah, what the hell? It's fun. $85 is not okay, but 84 is. So that will be what we're going with. I cannot round down this one because I need it. Let's model a bit more, shall we? I want a vent cut out around this area too. No, we should not add the vent now. Okay, let's test print this to see if everything works and see if my hypothesis about the bad G code actually true. Let's test that first before doing anything. All the outer edges will be rounded. It is like the race car, much easier to turn slowly than to turn quickly. These parts should not affect the fit, so let's just round all of them, except the inside may be a bit tricky, but yeah. We will not round out these corners because it will be, it should be flat, so it can be glued down easily. Okay, version 2.2 is done. Let's test it out. Is everything accounted for? Filling those parts, adjust the holder, adjust the cable. Everything seems to be okay. Export time. Export. Laptop dock version 2.2. Okay, save. Close this. Open Bamboo Studio version 2.2. Power on the printer. Get this side flush down, rotate it 90 degrees so it will not shake as much. Should I pull the trigger and just print the whole thing? No, let's look over the parameter. So 0% infill. Free walls is, I think it's go okay, but I don't know where is y-axis acceleration, so like speed. void. Let's just slice to see how long does it takes to print this in. It's 11:30, so about let's check 15 hours from now. So midnight. Yep, 2 in the morning. Let's check over the G code first. These layers are okay. Super well done. Overhang, a lot of overhang, but the printer handled it like a champ. So these parts usually suffers from ringing. The walls, as you can see here, are hollow. I don't know how it will affect the performance. Is 3 walls thin? I don't think it's thin. I think it's okay. We can add one more to see. The purple part. The purple part is internal solid infill. It is usually at this point that I hope the G code is fine. Nothing seems to be out of the ordinary. Yep. Once it's passed, it's done, we don't have any problem anymore. So let's cut it down first. About here. Yep. Cut. Gonna sukuna it. Delete the excess part. Add one more layer of wall. 11 hour. 11 hour is doable. Yeah, it's doable. And let's check the G code. The white part seems to be the gap infill. So is gap infill problematic? I don't know. You know what? Let's print without the gap infill, because it is the 1, 2, 3 walls, and the other one is the gap infill. So I want to experiment a bit. This one is an experiment part after all. I'm not printing it fully. So okay. The fabricator. Let's go. And that will be it. So thank you if you have made it this far. You have a lot of patience. More than I can ever hope to have, but thank you for being patient. Stay tuned for the print result of version 2.2, and see you next time.